In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Klaviyo form on your website. By the end, you'll have a clean, on-brand sign-up form sitting right where you want it on your site, with no pop-ups or overlays. Just a reliable embedded form that fits naturally into your page. Starting your Klaviyo account by heading to the website section and opening sign-up forms. Click Create Form to begin. You'll see templates designed for different goals, like growing your newsletter or capturing leads for a specific offer. Pick the one that best matches your use case and aesthetic. Templates give you a strong starting point so you can focus on placement rather than designing from scratch. With your form created, open the editor and navigate to Styles. Here, set the form type to Embed. This is the key setting that converts your form from a pop-up or flyout into an inline element you can place anywhere on a page. Embedded forms are great for landing pages, footers, or blog sidebars because they don't interrupt the browsing experience. Next, go to the Targeting and Behavior area and copy the embed code provided. This code is what you'll paste into your website so the form renders correctly. Copy it exactly as shown. There's no need to edit or rewrite anything. Keeping the snippet intact ensures Klaviyo can load and track the form properly. Now add the code to your website where you want the form to appear. In most website builders, look for a custom HTML block and place it directly in your layout, such as below a hero section or within a column. On WordPress, add a custom HTML block to the page or post where you want the form. On Shopify, use a custom liquid section in your theme and paste the code there. Position it thoughtfully so it's easy to find and complements the surrounding content. When the code is in place, save your page and publish your changes. Then refresh your website in a new browser tab or window to load the latest version. You should now see the Klaviyo form embedded exactly where you placed it. If your site uses caching, give it a moment or perform a hard refresh so the new content appears. That's it. Your Klaviyo form is now embedded and live on your website, ready to capture signups and sync them to your lists. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined form setup.